If you will tell, will it not come? You remember time and tide wait for none. Today is 17th, I think, no? It will come. 20th June. Is it your birthday or your sister's birthday? 20th June. Sister's birthday. I don't know. Who told? 20th June? I don't know. Okay, you do whatever you want, huh? Okay, that's great, but this is study time. Huh? I told you to speak it in English. Why are you not speaking? Whatever you will do on that 20th, you will do. Today, why are you talking that much about that incident? Hey, how much you are talking? Okay, you will bring whatever you want.